We see water above the ground in ponds, lakes like this one, streams and rivers. But water is also beneath us.
Underground water is called groundwater. There is water in our atmosphere, our air too. It protects us from the sun's heat. It also keeps the sun's warmth from escaping too fast. Water can be a liquid, solid, or a gas. When we think of water, we usually think of it in its liquid forms, like the water that runs from our faucets. Rain is another liquid form of water. Rainwater falls into puddles and ponds. It overflows into lakes, streams, and rivers. The rivers eventually empty into the oceans.